guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to walk you through how to sign in your app Venmo on your device. So as we all know that Venmo is a mobile payment app owned by people that lets you quickly send and receive money with friends, and it is designed especially for splitting bills, paying friends, or cashing out the small amounts, often with social elements like notes, emoji, who paid, who built-in features. So the app is available to users in the US. You need a US phone number, bank, or a card, and includes features like linking your bank, debit, credit card, wallet balance, and transaction fees kind of features is available in this app Venmo. So to sign in or to log in this app, you need to follow a few of these steps to do so. So let's get started. The first step is open the Venmo app on your mobile device. After opening the app Venmo, so this is the main screen, or you can simply say this is the very first home screen of this app Venmo. So there you can see the option at the very bottom of this page, login. You just need to tap on this option, login, or if you have already created an account, you can simply go to the option sign up and sign your created account. But if you are new to this Venmo app, you just need to tap on the option login, and after tapping the option login, there are the very few. After tapping on the option login, there will be the option like to enter your email address, or username, or phone number, whichever feels easier to you. After tapping on the email address, so after tapping on the email address and keeping the password very highly secure password so that no one can even crack her password easily, and there will be the option login, and then you will tap on the option login and your app, and you will get login to the app Venmo. So if the prompt complete by any verification, for example like a code sent to your phone, because this adds extra security to your device, and once logged in you will see home feed and can start sending or receiving money to your friends and family easily. So that's how you can just enable the app Venmo and explore its amazing features. So that's how you can just explore its features very easily, and it has its amazing features to explore. So that's how you can just log into your app Venmo digital paying app on a device. So it's very easy to follow this step. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Thank you.